Hello guys, I still continue speaking about earning dates, and today I speak about Facebook. Now Facebook earning date will be on the 2nd of November 2016. It means not this week, it will be not the week of Apple and Twitter, but it should be the other week, 2nd of November. Now, as I told you before, if you are holding Facebook when 2nd of November comes after the market close, there will be the earning date, and the analysts say it will be 96 cents, which is the profit. Now, if the profit of Facebook is more than 96 cents for each share of outstanding of Facebook, there will be a gap up. Now, if the earning or the profits are down 96 cents, there will be a gap down. This is in general. That's why I told you always, try to expect anything from the market. There is no rule that says if you have good news, you will have a gap up. It is not. And people who believe in that, sometimes it happens the opposite, and they get confused, and they think there are things that the market should be obliged to do. The market is not obliged to do what you think it will do. Okay? Understand that. Trading is a risky business. Either you risk your money and you stay with your convictions, or stay out of it and be watch stock market as an entertainment. It means as the other people. Okay? It's in the news. Oh, gap up today with Facebook. Oh, okay. So if you are not in, if you didn't buy Facebook, there is a gap up or gap down. What is it for you? It means you are making no money, and sometimes people are happy or sad, although they are not in the trade. So for me, I don't care. If I am not in the trade, why bother? Why bother about it? Okay? And in the market, we have thousands of stocks. There are hundreds of stocks. We have gap up or gap down each month. You can just check and you find those stocks, earning dates, gap up or gap down. If you are in a gap up, you will be making money. If you are a gap down, you are not lucky, and you should accept the loss. And in general, you shouldn't buy all your money with stocks that have gap up and gap down, because in terms of account management, you are risking too much. Let's say you buy a stock and it goes 30% down. Okay? Understand that this 30% is gone forever. Other people, day traders or short sellers, they have taken your money forever. Okay? So, but if you make, for example, a gap up, you have taken money from the market and it's a profit forever. You just take it from the market, sell your shares, and you stay drinking coffee. There is someone who told me, oh, you are lucky. You sold your shares of Twitter because after 1 week we have a gap down and there is another gap down. So you are so lucky. I say, man, I don't believe in luck. If I believe in luck, I will be doing lottery, and each day I try to play lottery and buy tickets and wait until I become a billionaire or wherever, or a millionaire. But you know, when you are into business, you understand that money, you should work to get money. Okay? It's not luck that brings you money. If you stay with luck, all the people who are poor, they stay and they wait until they get a luck or a lucky day and they get millions from the lottery. But these people, let's say in America, let's say we say 100 million they do lottery each year. Okay? All this money is gone to these lottery companies, to the government as tax, and it's all just harvested by other people. Okay? And little on few people each year they got some money from this big money. Okay? Because I have spoken a lot about lottery and how this works. It's a lot of money taken from the people. If this money taken from the people and made as companies, okay, startups, it means they give this money to people who can build companies, and the company becomes bigger and bigger and bigger. Believe me, you will make more money right away. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, these companies become big, and you bought some shares, and you will make more money than to wait all your life with luck. So for Twitter, when I bought Twitter, there is a gap up. I don't wait for gap up because it wasn't in earning dates. I have explained this before, but the other guy had asked me this question. He said, you are lucky. I say, no, I am not lucky. I just bought it because I bought it from what we call the support line, and this training that I do is training level 13, how to buy stocks from support line. It's just a training that explain what do you mean by support line and which support line. There are a lot. Okay, now when there is a gap up, I don't expect a gap up because there is no earning dates. There is no earning date, so I don't expect that. But when I see the money, I took the money from the market. This is a technique that I use for years. It has nothing to do with luck. I just see the money, I took it. And he told me, okay, why you don't wait many days? But if you wait many days, you will have a gap down. I say, yes. If I stayed many days, and there is another gap down, I lose money. Yes, but I didn't. I didn't wait. So this is the difference in what I do. It doesn't mean that I will not lose money. I always sometimes lose money because you shouldn't expect each trade to make money. This becomes like a joke. If someone tells you, oh, I always, whatever trade I go 100%, I always make money. No, it's not like this. And this I have explained in my training level 5, how to make money from stocks. You don't make money from stocks from each trade. Okay? You make money from the whole year work. Okay? You lose some, you make some, and the average you make money. Okay? It's not each trade as if you understand, as if you know the future. If you buy this stock today, in 2 weeks or 3 weeks you make money. No, and no one is doing this. And if someone tells you that he studies the stars, he studies the company people, he studies the earnings, he go to the fundamentals, he watches the news, he has subscriptions everywhere, he has newsletter, he follow some gurus online that they know everything about the market. All this is not true, and you will do it and you will realize later, after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years or 20 years, that it is not true. Okay? The market is always volatile and things change. Okay, if you keep one strategy and it's by the time it makes you money, stick with it. That's it. Okay, if it doesn't work, you should see what's the problem. But there is not something that it is 100% sure. Okay, if there is 100% sure, you will find people billionaires in 1 year. That's why the market is always not as you might think. Okay, but it's okay if you lose some trades. This is normal because you will never know how the market will be. So for Facebook, 2nd of November, after the market close, we'll have the earning dates. They say it's 96 cents. If Facebook is making more than 96 cents for each share outstanding, we think that there will be a gap up. Now, if the Facebook has not made that money, it made less, 90 cents or 60 or 50 or wherever, the market will go down into a gap down, because a lot of people, they short the stock, and it's an opportunity to make money. You know, it's all about money, opportunities in the market. Now it depends on you what you should do. If you are scared, you just sell your shares or you don't buy because the earnings is coming. Okay, if you are not scared and you want to try, you can just buy a few shares. If you want to experience what is a gap up and gap down, you should experience with real money. It's not when you buy in your virtual account and you think that you are practicing. Practicing for me should be in real money. Now, virtual account is when you just begin the first 3 months or 6 months. You want to see the platform, how you buy, how you put stop loss, how you sell. This is a good thing for you because you don't know the platform, you don't know what is trading, you don't know how much money you make. But when you have this virtual account, you will see the money. When you see green, you mean that you are making money. When you see red, it means that you are losing money. It's very simple, and you begin to buy, sell things, and making strategies and try to work on that. Okay, so this is all for Facebook for today. If you have comments or private message, send me a message. Thank you very much and have a nice day.